Alright, here I am on the Kern River. It's pretty low this time of year. Usually it's way up there where you see that water line. Probably up to these trees actually. But this is August, middle of August 2026. We didn't have good snowpack, and here I go. Let's see if I can walk across this. I mean, I can walk across it, but we'll see if I can do this on video without falling. There's a lot of moss and loose rocks. A lot of years you couldn't even do this. It's not even really up past my waist. Maybe waist deep, the deepest part up here. Yeah, it's not good, y'all. This is way too low. This river should be way higher than this, at least up to my chest. And yeah, it's not. It's super low. Been a horrible, horrible summer. See, now I'm already out of the rapids. Make it right on that other side, go around this rock right here. So the mighty Kern this year in some spots is not that mighty, because here I go. I should have live streamed it, probably would have been better, but anywho, there we go. Walked across the upper river on the mighty Kern, y'all. Be safe. You come up here, don't take it lightly. There are some spots that are deeper, but this is one you could walk across.